This is our truck. It's a Mercedes 609D from 1988. It's a 4-cylinder 4-liter engine that developed 90 horsepower originally. We haven't done anything on the outside except the solar panel, the windows and the wheels. We installed single wheels on the back with custom rims, and it has 288 75 16 inches in the back and 245 75 16 inches in the front. With the new dimensions of the wheels, it makes about 115 kilometers per hour maximum speed. Let me show you inside. The truck was an old ambulance for the German army, and let me show you inside. We built everything out of very lightweight plywood, so to keep the truck under 2.5 ton, under 3.5 ton. It has a foldable table. And an extensible bed, a pull-out bed that opens to 160. We made one window at the top to get some light and ventilation. It's isolated, insulated. The kitchen and a 40-liter water tank. There's also a toilet. Eventually a shower as well. There's plenty of storage at the top of the cabin, the control panel for lights and things like that. We have the original buttons from the ambulance. And at the top we have a solar panel. You know what's coming, so be it. You can't stop me now. And a 24-volt fridge with some additional space. And the solar panel is 360 watts, and it can power all our appliances, including the inverter for 220. We have a couple of spots to connect things up. And this one's, instead of regular doors, they're simply magnet based to keep the weight light and to get access to the storage. That's it. Truck. We managed to keep everything under 3.5 ton, so we're very happy about that.